Welcome to the Fantasy Family channel. My name is Lorie, and in today's video, guys, we will be doing another street interview. We will be asking beautiful Filipinas from the province of Goa, Camarines, or Bicol, Philippines. We will be asking them if what is their biggest turn on and what is their biggest turn off in a man. So let's find out, guys. Come on. What's your name?
Andrea po.
Andrea. Wow, nice to meet you, Andrea. And how old are you, Andrea?
I'm 20 po.
20. Are you single?
Yes po.
Yes, you are. Are you still studying?
Yes po.
Okay, what course?
BS Ed, math major.
Wow! So she's going to be a math teacher. Wow! I'm happy for you. Math is very difficult, Andrea. You must be very smart.
Ano lang po ate, depende po pag
It depends. Depends to what? To the subject or the lesson?
ano po, if nagdadangog ako sa
Oh, so it depends if she's listening or not.
naman yun ate. Deman kami full face to face.
You're not what?
Buka kaming full face to face.
Oh, online. Sometimes the class was like online. Okay, I see. Andrea, here's the question. What is your biggest turn on in a man?
Ano? Maparma.
Ma?
Maparma ate.
Maporma. Oh, if the man is like good looking, like he's able to. How do you say that in English? Maporma.
Sinabi mo po.
Good looking. I think good looking is like the physical thing, like the way the man dress,
What
right?
I mean yung kung, oo.
The way he dresses, right? Like that. So that's her turn on. How about what is your biggest turn off in a man?
Ano ate? Bisyo.
Bishu. Okay, bishu is what do you call that in English? Like for example, if the man is smoking, drinking, like that, right? So that's your turn off, biggest turn off in a man. Let's start with you. Okay, Ate, what's your name?
I'm Iris Israel Castellan.
Irish. Wow, that's a very nice name. Nice to meet you. And how old are you?
I'm 26.
26. Wow. So
Yeah.
that means you're working, right?
Yeah,
What is your job? Is it okay?
I'm a teacher. Public school.
Wow, that's amazing. You must very smart. The first one that I interview, she's also she's studying, but what you call math teacher as well. She'll be a math teacher. Anyway, here's the question. What is your biggest turn on in a man?
Biggest turn, I think, responsible and smart.
Wow. And how about what is your biggest turn off in a man?
A cheater.
A cheater. I think it's very common for
Yeah. Ano pa ba? Yun lang, unfaithful.
unfaithful. Are you single?
No, I'm married.
Oh, you're married.
Yeah.
Wow. You don't look, she doesn't look like she's married. She looks very like young, like, like not stressful. Like, married people mostly, they're, they're.
Yeah, I know. I get your point.
But anyway, thank you. Salamat po. Okay, so here we have a very beautiful Filipina. Okay, she can relate to me because, well, you will know, guys. Anyway, what's her name?
I'm M. You can just
M.
call me.
Nice to meet you, Em. Okay, how old are you?
I'm 26.
Doesn't look like 26. Okay, so are you single, married, what?
I'm in a relationship with an American guy.
Yes. Okay, how long?
We've been together for like 6 months.
Wow, congratulations. I'm very happy for you. Okay, so here's the question. What is your biggest turn on in a man?
I want someone who's intelligent and very responsible and very caring.
Carrie.
Yeah.
Wow, I love that, very caring. And how about what is your biggest turn off in a man?
Well, I don't like a man who's like in everybody social. So I want someone who's like private type, who doesn't entertain girls.
Yes. You got a point.
Yeah, like I want someone who's like not for everybody. Like who just follows or hearts everyone's post.
Okay, so what's your name?
Keisha po.
What?
Keisha.
Risha. Okay, nice to meet you. Okay, so are you single? You're not. You're taken. You have a boyfriend. Oh, are you still studying?
Yes po.
You do. Okay, so here's the question: what is your biggest turn on in a man?
Family oriented.
Family oriented. Wow. Okay, and what else?
Good smell. Good smell. Has a good smell.
Good smile. Good smile?
Smell.
Smell. Oh, if the person has a good smell. Okay. And what is your biggest turn off in a man?
Red flag.
Red flag. Red flags like what?
Sakali ang ugali. Sakali po ang ugali.
Sakali. Oh, if the attitude is like from the street. Street attitude. I don't know what is that, but what do you mean by that? Like not kind like that?
Mga ano po. Mga mahilig sa gulo.
Oh, someone that likes to have fight, right? Okay, someone that likes drama. So that's her turn off, her biggest turn off in a man. What's your name?
Joy po.
Jay.
Joy.
Joy. Okay, nice to meet you, Joy. How old are you, Joy?
22 po.
22. Wow, she doesn't look like she's 22. Are you studying?
No.
No, you're not. Are you working?
Unemployed.
Unemployed. Wow. Okay. Are you in a relationship?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Boyfriend. Wow. Okay. So, here's the question, Joy. What is your biggest turn on in a man? She's thinking. She said a lot. Okay, let's see.
Smells good.
Smells good.
Mhm.
Okay. What else?
Kind.
Kind. Wow. Smells good and kind. Okay. When you said smells good, I was thinking of food. Like adobo. Oh my God. Okay. How about your biggest? What is your biggest turn off in a man? Just thinking. Yung pinaka-top lang. Yung pinaka, ano mo, abo mo.
Dahil tayo mag-respeto.
Oh, I love that answer, Joy. So, she said her biggest turn off is someone that doesn't know how to respect, right? That's very beautiful. Well said.
Okay.
What's your name?
Rana Jane.
Rona Jane. Nice to meet you. How old are you?
21.
21. You're in college, right?
Yes.
What course are you taking?
Tourism.
Tourism. Wow. Congratulations. Okay, so here's the question. Are you single? You're not. You're taken, right? Okay. So here's the question. What is your biggest turn on in a man?
For me, if the guy is neat and clean,
Neat and clean. Okay. What is your biggest turn off in a man?
I think that, pwede makatatat.
Yeah.
Ano to?
What is your biggest turn off?
Pwedeng malagso addict sa
Or addict?
addicts in smoking, or
Yeah. That's right. So someone that is smoking. So that is her biggest turn off. Wow. Well, thank you.